the door is unlocked automatically. So also for safety, it's a very good feature. And the suggestion, all the cycle data are saved also in this case, and after I will show. When you remove, it's better to use the tray holder to avoid the high temperature. Also here, all information are saved. There are no difference between the different devices. We have the list of all information also here. Less if you do not make the traceability. Another interesting feature that we introduce is the guided configuration. So when the device arrives in the clinic, it's just necessary to connect the plug and it's ready to use. But we offer additional opportunity in terms of setting the language or the different aspects. So when you switch on the first time, appear this screen, so guided configuration, you can select the language, you can connect or not to the network, and you can select the time zone. So in this case, I select Kuala Lumpur. I can select the different setting of the date and time, and I can change the name of the sterilizer. So super easy to do, and you have additional information. So all of our devices, Lisa, Lara, Lina and Lyla, 17 or 22 liters. Lisa, Lara and Lina, the standard cycle are B universal 134, so for all instruments that are suitable for 134. B 121, so the lower temperature generally for plastic or sensitive items. And B prime 134, that is for the longer holding time requested in some countries. Generally the most used cycle is B universal 134. The fast cycle for unwrapped end pieces is by default only on Lisa. You can activate via the card, the activation card, on Lara and Lina. How it works? You have to scan this QR code, go to the website, insert this code, the serial number of the device that is here, and generate a code that you have to insert in the sterilizer. Not this section. In this section. Special code, you insert and you activate the feature. I move just a little bit on Lyla, so the class S. So here it's more important to pay attention on the type of the cycle. Because here we do not have B cycle, but we have S cycle. If you notice, the layout of the two devices is exactly the same. Just change the color on the handle, green to white. Here is exactly the same. Bacteriological filter, drain, USB, and switch on and switch off. Here you have 4 cycles. S unwrapped, S wrapped, S gentle, so 121 temperature, and S prion with long holding time. If you select the cycle, here you have a description. For unwrapped solid, simple hollow items, and dental load tolerating 134. Simple hollow means that it's not able to pass the helix test. Simple hollow is a ratio between the diameter and the length. It's really referred to the norm. So it's
a big aperture, you mean?
Yeah, for example, if this one is a simple hollow because the diameter is high and is not so long. There is a specific ratio for that. But the important thing here is dental load. Dental load means end pieces. So you can place end pieces in this cycle. And here, this is the unwrapped, so we show the instrument not in the pouch. If I move to the S wrapped, You have container, wrapped material, and also porous. And also here you have the same description. If you go on Lina, the difference is that if I click on B-cycle, for all type of fluid, is more generic. So I can say that you can place whatever you want. Here you have some limitation. All other functionality works the same. I would like to take the activation code. So the device in general for dental is okay. You have no problem to reprocess the instrument that you use in dental clinic. What is interesting, if in the future a customer buy a Lyla and the market start to ask class B or to have a certain level of clinic or certain accreditation, you need a class B, they do not have to change the device. Just buy the card, B-cycle. Same procedure. Scan it, insert this code in the microsite with the serial number of the device, obtain a code and insert inside. Why we work in this way with the card? For many reasons. One is for manage better the logistic, and the other thing is that this code is not specific for any sterilizer until you do not go to the website. So
it's like a key.
It's a sort of generic key. So this code works for all Lyla worldwide. When you go on the website, insert this code and the serial number, generate a code that is specific only for this sterilizer. So technically you can buy this one and install on one of Lyla that you have on the market without any limitation.
VIP card upgrade. VIP upgrade.